Welcome to Minkos Macs. Do you have a Mac laptop that is a few years old? Is your Mac laptop running slow and getting very hot when in use? Well, it more than likely looks like this inside. Did you know dust is a main killer for any laptop, and it should be serviced and deep cleaned inside every 2 years? This is a MacBook Pro from 2017 that was experiencing very bad overheating when the customer was using it just for normal day-to-day tasks. After inspecting and removing everything, including the logic board, cleaning out the fans, and applying new thermal paste to the CPU and the GPU. Now the laptop looks like this and works like a dream again for the customer. Please feel free to contact us or pass by Minkos Macs located in all over London, including Lewisham, Camden, Shoreditch, and Wimbledon for further information from our professional, knowledgeable, and friendly staff. Please visit us at www.minkosmacs.com.